have a new account. There is many spamming messages. I have already deleted some messages, so there is, let's say I have this, I deleted already. This is also a message. This is also a message. This is also a message. I already marked as these are scam. So in the new message, check here, click there, click. So check this link. All links list of same link. Okay. All links are same. These are totally scam of the Fiverr. Just click here and say here. It's totally dangerous. So I am deleting this. So new Fiverr account, maybe spamming issue, more spamming issue, digital spammer. So I have deleted all. So I have deleted all these messages from my. Thank you. You have to understand the Fiverr scammer.